This segment of Coastlife is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Comfort food meets culinary elegance. We're talking crispy Parmesan chicken with creamy risotto right here in Milford at Benvenuto for the dish of the week. Of course, I'm here with the one and only Chef Zeus. How are you doing?
That's me. That's me. I'm doing great. Thank you for having me.
Of course.
Thank you for being here.
Of course.
Yeah, we have a crispy Parmesan breaded chicken.
Yes.
All right. That we have going right now. All
Okay.
right. So that's frying up and finishing in the oven.
Perfect.
All right. But what we're going to do is prepare this creamy risotto that goes with it. Now, I want to show you something interesting. So we have some beautiful local corn, all right?
Nice.
This corn is so sweet, and everybody down here knows that. We have some of the best corn down here. What we're going to do is we're going to just take a little bit of clarified butter,
Okay.
okay, and just add it to this pan to sort of get our risotto going, all right? Now, what we want to do is not necessarily shake, saute this or, what we're doing is really just getting this risotto up to where we need it to get to, because right now,
What are we pouring on right now?
so this is a stock,
Okay.
all right? And this is what's adding flavor to our risotto, all right?
Gotcha.
So what we have to do ultimately is just want to stir it, okay?
Gotcha.
You want to stir it. So we have some fresh local tomatoes.
Nice.
We have some fresh local green onion. I think goes great with this. Some grated Parmesan Reggiano to give you that creaminess. We have some heavy cream, and of course, some applewood smoked bacon.
My
All right?
favorite.
We're going to speed things up a little bit. We're going to add some fresh cream here, okay?
Ooh, okay.
And that's also going to lend to that creaminess that we're looking for.
Okay.
You see how creamy that's getting? Look at that.
Oh wow, Coastlife, do you see this?
Yeah, see? So it's kind of like magic, right?
Yes, it is. It's
And
kind of
again,
thickening up a little bit too.
Yes, and you don't want to toss this pan around. You
Just
just
to
want
stir.
yes, just let it do its thing.
Uh-huh.
All right? So I know that right now, my risotto has really good texture. You see that?
Yeah.
So now, what I'm going to do is I want to stop the cooking here, okay? I'm going to add just another touch of cream,
Okay.
okay? Just a little touch of cream, a little splash. So now I'm going to show you the last thing we do, all right? We're going to just put this heat back on, all right, to finish it, because this is one of those things that it's got to be perfect when it gets to the table,
Oh.
all right? We're going to add that. We're going to add another splash of stock.
Okay.
We are going to add our tomatoes
Oh.
for that beautiful color,
Wow.
okay? We're going to add a little bit of green onion to this, all right? And give that a nice stir.
Oh, I love the colors in that.
And then we're going to add our bacon to this,
Nice.
all right? Now, look at that. You know there's
Wow.
some amazing flavors in there,
Yeah.
all right? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to check on our chicken,
Yes.
all right? We're going to take a quick break, and when we come back, we're going to show you how to plate this guy up.
Perfect.
Sound
Let's
good?
go.
All right, so our chicken's done. All right, there you go.
Awesome. Oh, it
so,
looks yummy.
And you can see the Parmesan cheese in
Yes,
there.
it looks very
and-
seasoned
Yes,
too.
yes, very seasoned. That's what you want, all right? So now our chicken's done, okay? And now we're gonna kind of put our attention over here with this risotto. So
Yes.
now, we're
Smells
gonna-
delicious,
It
too.
does, it does. We're gonna lay our risotto here, okay? See how nice that looks? All right? And you want it to be nice and creamy, and you see how it's already starting to spread out?
Yeah.
All right, so we can help it along a little bit, all right? And then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna just take our chicken, see that?
Wow.
And we lay it right over top.
Beautiful.
And just fan it out a little bit if you want, all right? Let your guests see that.
I
And
know
then-
you. I know you're big on your presentation. I have a feeling we're not quite done yet.
A little bit, I mean a little bit, but look, and then what we wanna do is just a nice little chiffonade,
Nice.
okay?
Beautiful.
Just to kind of send it over the top, all right? To make people know that we care, right?
Yes.
And then we're gonna just take a little bit of our fresh Reggiano, Parmigiano Reggiano, right over top of that Parmesan
Delicious.
crusted chicken and a beautiful creamy summer risotto. And that there is the dish.
This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Coastlife, take a look at this. I'm honestly getting hungry just looking at it, so I think I'm gonna dive right in here, Zeus. So Zeus, while I'm taking a bite out of this, tell me, how do you want your guests to feel while they're trying this dish?
I want our guests to feel like family, because ultimately we are a family business. We're not, one of the big guys out there. And we do everything for our guests. Benvenuto, if you don't know, means welcome in Italian. All right. So that kind of says it all. So we want everybody to feel welcome and just feel like family here and just feel full and happy.
Yeah, in Coastlife, you will definitely be full and happy, as he mentioned, happy and satisfied after trying this dish. I mean, it is truly amazing how creamy it is with the crispiness of the chicken. It complements each other so well. And it's also our dish of the week. So if you come in here and say that you saw this dish on Coastlife, you get it 10% off of this dish. Can't beat that.
Thank you so much. And thank you guys so much for being here.
Yes,
Always
thank you for having us, Zeus. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Yes, but there's more flavor, fun, and plenty all-in-one packages here on Coastlife also. That's on the way.